MrBeast, the man who turned crazy challenges into billions of views. But here's the thing. His secret to success isn't just giving away money. It's a repeatable formula that any YouTuber, even beginners, can copy. In the next 5 minutes, I'll break it down step by step and show you how to use the same methods for your own channel. 1. The curiosity hook. Every MrBeast video starts with an irresistible question. What happens if? What happens if 100 people stay in a circle for 100 days? What happens if I bury myself alive? That one question makes you click, because your brain wants the answer. How you can use this, even if you make videos about business or income, start with a question. For example, what's the easiest business that anyone can start in 2025? Can you really make money from YouTube without showing your face? Simple, clear, curiosity-driven titles, more clicks. 2. The storytelling formula. MrBeast's videos aren't random chaos. They follow a clear story. 1. Set the challenge. 2. Build tension. 3. Deliver the payoff. When he locks 100 people in a circle, you don't leave because you need to see who wins. For you, if you're sharing 5 business ideas, don't just list them. Build suspense. Count down from the least exciting to the most surprising. Keep viewers watching until the very end. 3. Reinvestment over flexing. MrBeast reinvests every dollar back into content. That's why his next video is always bigger than the last. But here's the truth. You don't need millions. If you make even $20 from YouTube, put it into a better thumbnail design, a script writing tool, an AI voice that sounds more natural. 4. Community building business mindset. MrBeast doesn't just make videos. He builds community. Fans feel like they're part of his journey. That's why his engagement is through the roof. And he thinks like a business person. Feastables, Beast Burger, merch, all built from YouTube attention. 4. Small creators. Engaging your comments. Ask your audience questions. Think about how your channel can grow into a brand. For example, if you talk about business ideas, maybe one day you launch a digital course or a productivity app. So, what's MrBeast's real secret? Not money, it's strategy, curiosity hooks, storytelling, reinvestment, community, and business thinking. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more strategies like this, hit subscribe to Idea Fusion HQ and wait next strategy. Have a good day. See ya.